Mr. Kher, I wanted to ask you something very interesting. With this reference to Khalistan and Tukre Tukre, I see that there is this tendency to label people immediately, particularly protesters. Anyone who is saying something which is uncomfortable to the dispensation. I'm not saying people directly from the dispensation, though there are some member parliaments who've said, MPs who have said things about these protesters. But the paraphernalia immediately gets into labeling. Khalistani, Tukre Tukre. So do you think that this labeling is counterproductive? One must not label.
Tukre is a label given by the people themselves. Those are the people who sort of shouted the Bharat tere टुकड़े होंगे इंशाअल्लाह इंशाअल्लाह. उसमें टुकड़े वर्ड तो हम किसी ने और ने इस्तेमाल नहीं. So टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग तो टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग ही है. आजादी इससे आजादी चाहिए उनको, उससे आजादी चाहिए. I have no sympathy for them. I'm sorry. The labeling is not done because anybody wanted to label them. They labeled themselves. And nobody is labeling the farmers. I don't think any genuine farmers are being labeled. But I, as an Indian, do get worried when I see that farmers' genuine problems are being hijacked by politically motivated people also. You see that. People are not blind to not see that. Why will I, मैं तो हमारे देश में तो farmers को भगवान माना जाता है क्योंकि वो अन्नदाता हैं, actually में हैं. And farmers are so genuine and so gracious and so large-hearted. They have really, really taken care of our country. So why will the person who's taking care of me, why will I create problems for the person? In fact, these people who are indulging in all this, they are taking away the genuineness of this protest. कि चलो हम भी हाथ धो लेते हैं, हम अपना एजेंडा डाल देते हैं. कौन है ये लोग?
No, the reason why I'm asking this question because many celebrities and interestingly, many cine stars, singers, they've all come out in support of these farmers. In fact, many of them have opposed these labels that you're talking about. They don't want farmers to be labeled like this. I mean, there was an ugly spat between Diljit Dosanjh and Kangana Ranaut. But celebrities have come out in support of farmers.
Genuine people will come out for the support like this. But people are also wary about it. I'm not saying that. I'm sure anybody who eats food will support the farmers. But not necessarily the farmers who are also camouflaged as Khalistanis or as other people also. Who will not support farmers who are genuine? I'm sure everybody will support. There is no way about it. But this whole thing is being now turned into a certain kind of thing and nobody is labeling them. I think nobody should label them. But if these people are being hijacked, this whole movement or this whole problem or this whole concern is being addressed in a manner that it should be, we should be very wary of such people. Whether they are anti-social people, anti-national people, or whether they are wanting Khalistani people, or whether they are wanting unrest, they're wanting to create unrest, etc. I don't think that's not a good thing for the farmers' genuine agitation.